66 million years ago, Earth was a living, breathing planet, not covered in concrete and power lines like today, but a vibrant world of blue skies, lush forests, and oceans teeming with colorful creatures. Most importantly, it was ruled by the undisputed kings of the land, dinosaurs. Back then, there were no humans, no dogs or cats, no pizza or McDonald's, just dinosaurs. From those that could topple trees with a single kick to others that could tear apart another beast with their razor-sharp teeth. Life was like a BBC Earth documentary set to World War mode, brutal, colossal, and loud. But something was quietly brewing in the sky, unbeknownst to these giants. A rock not massive compared to Earth, about 10 kilometers in diameter, but carrying enough energy to incinerate a continent, was hurtling through space at a speed 20 times faster than a bullet. Later named the Chicxulub meteorite, this uninvited guest was about to end the reign of the dinosaurs and pave the way for our era. When the meteorite struck, it hit what is now the Gulf of Mexico, leaving a crater 180 kilometers wide and several kilometers deep, discovered years later through seismic imaging. The impact unleashed an explosion equivalent to over 1 billion Hiroshima atomic bombs. Within seconds, temperatures at the impact site soared to thousands of degrees. Everything nearby didn't just burn, it vaporized, like a tissue thrown into a steel-melting furnace. Even rocks, sand, and soil turned to liquid or gas. But that was just the beginning. The collision ejected trillions of tons of dust, soot, sulfur, and vapor into the atmosphere, clogging the stratosphere and blocking sunlight. Earth plunged into what scientists call Anjiwi, impact winter. For months, perhaps years, the sky darkened, as if trapped in an endless night. Photosynthesis shut down, plants withered, and global temperatures plummeted, with evidence of frost even in tropical regions. The food chain, plants, herbivores, carnivores, collapsed like dominoes. Plant-eating dinosaurs reliant on vast amounts of foliage were the first to perish. Predators followed as their prey vanished. Eggs hatched less frequently, and baby dinosaurs rarely survived. The adults, weakened by cold and starvation, fell one by one, never to rise again. The mighty rulers of Earth were no more. Yet the story is more complex. Scientists later discovered that the meteorite might not have been the sole culprit. Around the same time, massive volcanic eruptions in what is now southern India, known as the Deccan Traps, had begun. These eruptions lasted millions of years, spewing gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. Some scientists argue the meteorite may have been the final blow, but the Deccan Traps had already weakened the dinosaurs. Sea levels were also fluctuating, destroying coastal habitats. Some theories even suggest that many dinosaur species were already declining before the impact, with the meteorite finishing off the survivors. Another intriguing, though unproven hypothesis is that toxic clouds from the impact and eruptions acidified the oceans, poisoning marine life and explaining why even sea-dwelling dinosaurs vanished. Most scientists now favor a combined theory. The meteorite impact, Deccan eruptions, climate shifts, and sea level changes together triggered the greatest mass extinction in Earth's history, known as the KPG extinction event. From Cretaceous and Paleogene. Did all dinosaurs disappear? Not quite. A small group of feathered dinosaurs, likely lighter, possibly capable of flight or better at building secure nests, survived. Over time, these evolved into what we now call birds. Yes, that sparrow on your windowsill is a direct descendant of a true dinosaur. Small mammals also survived, hiding in burrows, caves, or other safe corners. Of those small dinosaurs, with the dinosaurs gone, cataclysm, these creatures seized their chance. When the darkness of the extinction event lifted, Earth was like a blank canvas. Roughly 75% of Earth's species had vanished. Giant dinosaurs, massive marine reptiles, and many others were gone. But this void opened the door for those who had lived in the shadows. Small mammals, bird-like dinosaurs, and other resilient species. Before the extinction, mammals were tiny, mouse or rabbit-like creatures, overshadowed by dinosaurs. But with the giants gone, they began to diversify, growing larger and spreading across the globe. Over millions of years, they evolved into everything from massive whales to elephants, and eventually, humans. Birds, the descendants of those feathered dinosaurs, also diversified. Some developed better flight, becoming the crows, eagles, and thousands of species we see today. The legacy of the dinosaurs lives on, just in smaller, differently shaped forms. After the extinction, Earth slowly transformed. Forests regrew, plants diversified, and new ecosystems emerged. Mammals, once confined to the undergrowth, expanded in size and variety, conquering the world left vacant by the dinosaurs. This process took tens of millions of years, shaping the species that would define Earth's future. While the meteorite and Deccan traps are the leading explanations, some scientists suggest other factors may have contributed, such as gradual climate changes, shifts in atmospheric composition, or even widespread diseases. However, no single factor could have caused such a massive extinction alone. The extinction of the dinosaurs wasn't just the end of an era, it was the beginning of a new one. It reshaped the course of life, paving the way for mammals, birds, and eventually humans. The dinosaurs fell to a deadly combination of a catastrophic meteorite, massive volcanic eruptions, climate change, and habitat loss. This event, the greatest mass extinction in Earth's history, forever altered the trajectory of life. But from that end came a new beginning. The void left by the dinosaurs gave rise to the ancestors of modern mammals and birds, and ultimately, us. So, the next time you see a chicken or a pigeon, remember, you're looking at a true survivor of that ancient, awe-inspiring and perilous age of the dinosaurs.